infectious diseases.
Mommy's working.
Hello! Thank you, Cassie. So, Mommy's reviewing and Cassie gave me some tiramisu to make my brain work. So, I'm reviewing at the moment for my exam.
Because tiramisu has a history. Did you know that? Talks about tiramisu. Okay, time to say
Thank
goodbye.
you. It's time to review.
Goodbye. My mommy is so hard on this.
Still reviewing for my exam. Wish me luck.
Yeah.
Surgically to your meditation. Tama? Okay.
Review again.
Class stage 1. Guys, ang daming nag-exam pala ng July 27. July 27 guys. So, halos magkasabay pala yung exam si Sir Juan Derek at si Sir Cindy Genevieve. Okay, pareho po sa rin exam ng July 27. Ang galing. Guys, almost
OP,
magkasabay po sila.
nakaka-relate
Ay, si Jenny,
ako.
nag-stop din
Time for some OP, which I will relate to myself. Paraphernalias. Hello! So, ito, review mode na naman ako for the NCLEX. Review all the way. So, yeah. Wish me luck. Ilang days na lang at exam ko na. So, kaya natin to. Let's go! Hello! Review mode na naman. Review. Malapit na exam. Wish me luck. So, review mode na naman. Malapit-lapit ng exam. Of course, pa-deliver ng McDo to keep my sugar high. Dahil nangihina na ako. So, I'm on my pre-board now. Let's do this. Kaya natin to. Go, go, go. Okay, rewarding myself. Care of daddy. Hindi naman sa akin lahat yan. Siyempre sa amin yan. While reviewing, ilang araw na lang, exam na. Go, go, go. So, yan guys. Ilang araw na lang mag-exam na kami ng NCLEX. I wish us luck. Sana may pasa ako to for my baby rin. Bago ako mga anak, tapusin ko na lahat. So, nakayanan ko ng ILR. Tapos na ako doon. May pasa ko naman. So, this time NCLEX. So, wish me luck. Wish us luck. Kaya natin to. Kaya nang bahala, Lord, sa amin. Let's do this. It's 2 in the morning. Pero review pa rin. Mag-milk muna tayo and tinapay. Aja. Kain na tayo. Good morning everyone with Tina. Today's the day. So let's go and eat. Let's get ready before we go. Let's eat some breakfast hanggang 10. At least full English. Today is the day. Ay, wish us luck on our exam and pray for us. Kaya namin to. Let's do this. This is it. Are you ready? Let's go for the exam. So, nito na kami for the exam, for the NCLEX. Dito ako sa toilet muna. Nasusuka ako na ewan. So, wish us luck and ito na yun. Let's do this. Kaya natin. Tapos kami sa exam. We're so due. Balik na kami sa hotel para mag-rest. Wish us luck. Umuulan, nakisama yung panahon. Ang lamig. So, we're done with the exam. Nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Tina, kumusta exam?
Tawa na lang.
Oh, masyal sana kami. Pero last naman ng ulan, ang lamig. Yung mga coats namin, pang-aura.
Kasi kailangan pa natin mag-PBT.
Oo, antayin namin. Oh my God, kinakabahan na ako. Tapos na kami ni Baby at ni Tina mag-exam.
2 days
Tatlo
na kami
kami.
nagtitake away kasi hindi kami lumalabas.
Yun ang bakasyon namin.
Nag-log na kami para sa Uber Eats.
Oo, kaya good luck sa atin. Oh God!
Nag-London pa tayo, take away lang pagkain
Oo
na.
nga eh. Bukas na tayo mag-London. See you guys!
London na to.
Pahinga muna kami.